Hey everyone, it's me again, and I am doing back-to-back videos. So yes, I'm wearing the same shirt. Yes, my makeup is the same, and yes, my hair is the same. Today, I have Cult Crushes. This is a relatively new box for me. It used to be $11 a month. It's now $14 a month, and it has beauty. I'm guessing it's just beauty. I don't remember what I got last month, but I know I got a lot of like skincare stuff. Here's the box here, and inside it's packaged pretty nicely. They've got a lot of the fluff and stuff in here. So we'll see what's we've got. We've got the card, and it's got all of the information on everything in the back. I'm not really going to look at it because I don't know what is in it yet. We're going to put that aside. First thing we have here is Divine Collection Foil Tissue Patches, extra firmness for the eyes. So it looks like they're just eye masks. You put them under here. Gold and collagen. Definitely use that. So we're going to look at prices after I'm all done. Suvia Beauty Pressed Eyeshadow. Never heard of this brand. I'm assuming that because we got a single shadow, there are no palettes in here, which kind of sucks. But let's see what this looks like. So here it is. It is a very lovely shade of copper. I wonder if it's magnetic. Oh, good. It is magnetic. So swatching it, it's definitely very creamy. It feels like a Juvia's Place shadow. Not a lot of pigment to it. Let me see. I mean, there's some pigment, but as far as it being metallic goes, I feel like I have to go over it a few times to really kind of dig in there. It is pretty. I wouldn't have bought this on my own just because I have several copper shadows. We have a couple more masks here. There's Avatar Shape Up Face Mask and Even Out Face Masks. And I always really like face masks. I like just relaxing and chilling out and having a mask on and just forgetting all of my problems. Next we have, I've had these before. Okay, Hairfinity, these little vitamins for hair. I've had them before. I think I got them at a conference, and I'm pretty sure this is the brand that the Kardashians used to promote a lot. In fact, I'm almost positive that not Kourtney, Khloe Kardashian was at a conference that I was at, and she was talking about this stuff. And I got a couple bottles. I don't remember how well it did, but I don't know. We'll see. These are good until November 2018, so November this year. So they will not last me very long. So there's that. Next we have Gulsha Ultimate Rose Water Toner for Pure Radiant Skin. I do like rose water. I use a lot of natural products. Smells like roses. Natural products on my face as far as skincare goes. At the end of the day, I use jojoba oil all over my face and all over my neck just to kind of keep it hydrated. And I feel like it helps out a lot. So I do like natural products. This is paraben-free, glycol-free, and gluten-free, perfume-free, colorant-free, and alcohol-free. It's a 100% natural product, but I do not see that it is cruelty-free. In fact, I don't really see anything on any of these so far that say that they are cruelty-free. So it sounds like I'm going to have to do a little bit more research on that. Make sure they're not hurting my animals. My sweet animals. Yeah, there's nothing that is cruelty-free. All right, so the last thing we have in this box is Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. It's a good size. It's a 1.5 fluid ounce, so it's definitely not one of those little tiny guys, which is nice. We're going to go through some prices real quick. Oh, I don't have prices. Shoot. I'm going to have to look them up online. So this clarifying cleanser for a full size, which I don't know what size it is, but it's definitely much bigger than this. $53 from Murad.com. The Gulsha Rose Water here is $10 on Amazon. I don't know how many fluid ounces this is. This is 0.67 fluid ounces or 20 mils. and 6.76 fluid ounces is $20. So $20 for a 6.76 fluid ounce bottle. This is only 0.67 fluid ounces, so this is worth about $2. Next are these foil patches, which I can't find. These here, €2.95, which I don't know how much that is in American dollars, but it's all in euros online. So, I mean, it's probably around $3.99 is what I'm guessing. I'm not sure. I'll put the information right over here on what the conversion is. The Avatar face masks are, a 3-pack is $8.99 at Target, so you can find these at Target. That's good because if I like them, I'll definitely want to get more. Hair Affinity on Amazon, 60 capsules, which is a 1-month supply, is $24.99. This here has 14 capsules, so it's about a half month of stuff. And then the last thing is the Suva Beauty Single Shimmer Shadow. Here it is. I've got it online here. This is $11 for the single shadow. I expected more. I don't know. I'm a little bummed out about it. I'm also really bummed out that the box is so big and there wasn't a whole lot of product in it. So here's all of the stuffing. There's a lot. There's I mean, it's cute. It's cute. It's cute. And then we've got all this bubble wrap here, which I do appreciate. There is some security with some of this stuff so it's not going to break. But once you put everything in, it's not impressive. It's not that impressive. I mean, I know we're talking about just sizes, but I mean, size does matter. I'm going to give this brand one more month and see if they can blow me out of the water next month, and hopefully it'll be good. So let me know in the comments what you thought of this box and if you would spend $14 on it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again next time.